Greetings. This is Ohio Travels with Chris, and my channel is being sponsored by SuperClean, and I'm going to do a video here. Here's the stuff. I'm going to try it in two different places. First I'm going to do it on the concrete. Look how dirty it is. I've power washed it before last year, but it's not as clean anymore. And I would bring it around here and clean up some of this green on our porch. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to do it here on a little spot there. Give it a minute here. Finally got some of this snow melted, all but that little bit over there. But yep, I'm going to try it here, see how good it does. I should have brought a bucket with me. Look at all that. I'm going to have to go get a bucket for the other one. Do a little bit bigger spot. Give it a minute or two to... I'm going to change the spot on this. I'll get a bucket of water. There's that. Let that sit there for a minute, and I'll go do the wood over here. And yeah, we got some free tree trimming. All these sticks have fallen. But here we go. Get a good dosing there. Voila. And get some bucket of water. Look how much cleaner that looks. Have to get some water. And what do you think about that? Put it down the side. Some of these other spots. You can reach clear over there. But yep. It's a quick little video. Hope you consider subscribing and trying out the SuperClean dissolver degreaser. I will put a link in the description where you can find it, and hope you have a good day. Bye. That's what it looks like afterwards. I put some water on it. It helped some, but so I didn't have any water on the wash rag, so, but it does look a lot better. And I'll show you the wood here. Give me just a second. Let it go for... I cleaned it up. So I didn't use much, but it looks a lot better than it did.